Carney. This is Josh Carney here. I was tagged in one of your videos, your natural voice calling turkey videos, and I think you did a great job, man. But I think I got you beat on this one. So just check it out. We're gonna go from the start of the hunt with the locate call. We're gonna do an owl. We're gonna do a crow. We're gonna do a coyote, and then we're gonna do the yelp. Then we're gonna go back to the goblin. Then we're gonna do the whole scenario. Here we go. Gave my best shot. Thanks for the challenge, man.